Let me tell you a story of a beggar. Isang pulubi. Pumunta sa isang bakery. Kumatok. Ang nagbukas ng pintuan, may-ari ng bake shop. Sinabi niya, yes. Sinabi ng pulubi, kailangan ko po ng tinapay. Baka meron po kayong tinapay. Sinabi ng may-ari ng bake shop, you've come to the right place. Pasok. Pumasok siya. Ang dami-daming tinapay. Sobrang sarap. Ang bango-bango. Kaya lang sinabi ng may-ari, dito ka sa loob. Dito ka sa loob. Papakita ko sa iyo. Nung pinakita, isang training room. May high-tech na LCD projector. High-tech na overhead projector screen na automatic, de push button, bumababang ganyan. Tapos pinakita ng may-ari, you've come to the right place. Kailangan mo ng tinapay. Tingnan mo to. I'll explain to you the various breads of the world and all the cultures and the different breads of different historic epochs. Alam nyo, ganito nagsimula ang tinapay. So nagbigay siya ng history of bread. Pagkatapos nag-explain kung anong klaseng bread. May white bread, may brown bread, may whole wheat, may ganyan-ganyan. May sunflower seeds, may walang, may raisin bread, may ang dami-daming bread. Tapos sinabi niya, okay ba? Yung beggar parang natatakam na, parang nanonood na okay naman yung pinapresent, pero nagtaas na ng kamay sa gitna ng presentation. Sinabi niya, kailangan ko ng tinapay. Sinabi ng may-ari, tama ka! You've come to the right place! Halika, pasok ka sa kusina. Dinala siya sa kusina. Alam niyo yung kusina, grabe, high-tech. Stainless steel ovens imported from Germany. Sinabi niya sa pulubi, ito, binili ko to from Germany. High-tech, controlled, automatic lahat. Dito naman, high-tech. High-tech, dito naman, high-touch. Linalambing namin ng dough. Controlled, ha? Train namin yung mga chef na yan, mga baker na yan. Talagang minumold yung dough, tapos linalagay sa oven. Okay ba yung aking kitchen? Sinabi ng, habang nag-explain yung may-ari, sinabi ng pulubi, kailangan ko ng tinapay. Sinabi ng may-ari, ay naku, you've come to the right place. Alam mo, halika, punta tayo sa bubong ng ating bake shop. Bubong, sir? Bubong, halika, punta tayo. Pumunta sila sa roof deck. Doon sa roof deck, sinabi ng may-ari ng bake shop, nakikita mo ba yung isang building na yun na kulay pula? Oo, sir. Isang bake shop yun. Hindi maganda yung tinapay nila. Medyo maalat. Yung aking tinapay, pure. Doon. Nakikita mo yung blue na building na yun. Opo, sir. Another bake shop. Competitor ko yan. Alam mo, walang lasa yung kanilang tinapay. Walang lasa talaga yung akin. Lasang-lasa mong maganda at pure. I'm the only bake shop that gives pure bread. Nakikita mo yung malaking building na yun doon, yung puti. Opo, yan, isa pang bake shop yun. Naku, hindi maganda ang service nila. Ang pangit-pangit ng bake shop na yan. Kilala ko yung may-ari na yan. Buwisit na buwisit ako sa may-ari na yan. Ay, naku, mahal ng tinapay niya. Sinabi ng pulubi, opo, sir, kailangan ko po ng tinapay. Sinabi ng may-ari, talaga? Kailangan mo tinapay? O sige, baba ka na doon, bumili ka. Sir, wala pa akong pera. Ay, wala. Di wala. Yung simbahan minsan ganon. Yung Kristiyano ganon. May mga tao nangangailangan ng pag-ibig. Simple lang naman kailangan nila ng pag-ibig. Kung ano-ano pa binibigay natin. Yung ating kultura, yung ating sistema, yung ating organization, the forms of religion, that's what we give. We do not give the essence of religion. Which is what? Which is love. Just love. Alam nyo, maraming tao, yan lang ang kailangan nila, hawak sa kamay. Totoo yan. Tinapay. Yan lang ang kailangan nila. Somebody to hold their hand and say, alam mo, sa mga problema mo, may kasama ka. Ako. Yun lang. Baka may kaopisina ka na nangangailangan ng tulong. Yun lang. Somebody to hold their hand and say, pagdadasal kita. Hindi mo na kailangan i-explain yung 4 spiritual truths. Hindi mo na kailangan i-explain yung 10 commandments. Hindi mo na kailangan lang nila ang pag-ibig. And you will be an evangelist. And you will share the love of God to as many people as possible. Amen? There was this one woman who evangelized my mother. Her name is Nanay Etring. Si Nanay Etring ang taong kumulit sa nanay ko. Tinawagan ng nanay ko, sinabi niya, attend ka naman ng prayer meeting. The good thing about Nanay Etring was that she was someone who was a loving person. And she kept on calling and befriending my mother until that point where after 6 months, umuo yung nanay ko. And so my mother went to that prayer meeting and the rest was history. My parents evangelized me and I am here standing in front of you. It was because of one woman. One woman. Si Nanay Etring, maliit na babae. Mas maliit kay President Gloria. Mas maliit pa doon. She is so small, she is so simple, she is so ordinary. Her name doesn't appear in the magazines. Yung mukha niya wala sa TV. Pero dahil sa kanya, she evangelized one person, my mother. And my mother evangelized me, and I am here in front of you. Galing, ano? Ganun lang kasimple. You can evangelize. You can bring someone to the Lord.